Hey, so today we are gonna be just telling you that how to just add the small webcam in your videos from OBS Studio. If you want to download OBS Studio, here's the I button. And now let's go to our video. Let's continue it. Hello, my name is ZayanWaseem, and today, as you guys all know, why just I'm giving you this introduction? I've just already given. Okay, so as you guys all know, I'm gonna be telling you that how to add webcam in your screen recording on OBS Studio. Let's go. First of all, you have to just go to this plus icon here, click on it, and then here's many options, but you have to click on one, or otherwise you won't be able to just share the webcam. Okay, then you just have to choose this video capture device. You have to click here, name it whatever you want, as I told you, name it whatever you want. Let's name it whatever you want. Okay, we have just entered. Okay, and then here you will get, you guys should be thinking that why just I'm using my phone as a microphone. So the truth is that my phone has a better microphone than my microphone. That's disgusting, but it is heck yeah. So okay, let's go. You have to press OK, then you will get this webcam here. Now you have to just make it a little bit smaller, but that's your choice. You can make it however big it you want, or however small you want. That depends on you. Let's just move it somewhere else, like here, and now you can see it is recording it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna be making a new OBS black screen fix video soon. So be sure to hit that like button. That is only for today. Bye bye.